Hey, this is Alex with FileDrop, and today I want to show you a cool free tool we've just created. It's a simple tool that allows you to create searchable PDFs. Um, so if you have a PDF, a scanned file, a document, and you want to turn it into a searchable format, because that usually you cannot do that if you didn't create it on a computer, you can do that with this free tool. So let's get started. I have this piece of article here, and I want to turn this into a searchable PDF. Um, our free OCR tool is at getfiledrop.com /free OCR. And this little tool is going to allow you to do just that. Let me choose my file. Edit. And I have this option here, create searchable PDF, and the other option is hide text layer in PDF. So I don't need to see the text. So I'm gonna select that as well. And I'm gonna process the file. It's gonna take a bit, so be patient. This is an intensive process, but once the file is processed, you're gonna see the download link, and you have to download it right away because the file will be deleted afterwards. The file is ready, and here it is. And now if I go to search something in the file, as you can see, I can see the words. Pretty cool. Of course, it depends a lot on the type of file that you have. If it's something like this, it's great. Some will uh, give problems, but most of the files will be awesome for this. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this useful. Cheers. Bye.